Alright guys, I just wanted to make a quick video for y'all explaining how to replace the radiator in a 2002 Dodge Ram 1500 4.7 liter. This mine's a two-wheel drive. My radiator blew out this past Sunday, so I had to go through the effort of replacing it, and I had to learn real quick on this one. Never done this one before. For one, the fan shroud itself does move back. You have one bolt there, one bolt here on this side. You remove that, and you can go ahead and move that whole fan shroud back. Once that happens, you can unbolt this bolt here. It's supposed to have one there, but I don't. And you can unbolt this here, and that will enable you to move this up and push it out of the way. I just sat it up over here back on top of the resonator box in the air intake. I ended up going with a different than factory radiator here. This one's actually more than likely meant for the 2004 and up when they changed the body styles, but I wanted to make sure I could actually see inside of the radiator because the factory one didn't have this spout here. It only had this one up here. But you're gonna have to come over here. My factory one had inserts here, but the new one didn't, so I had to move one of the 13 millimeters over here to hold it into place. But this one had inserts here, and there's also a spot back here for a bolt, but once again, mine didn't have it. Whoever the previous owner was seemed to have done a lot of work that wasn't quite right. Like I said before, my new one here didn't have the this overflow hose in this spot. Mine factory one was actually on this side right about here, so I had to go and get a brand new hose from O'Reilly's to run this line here. But basically, once you take off this fan shroud, as I stated in the beginning, and move this out of the way, you will be able to undo this hose here with the hose clamp. You have one other hose clamp and hose that's at the bottom down there. You can semi see it moving across right here going down, and then you're also going to have to come up under here, excuse me, and undo these clamps here. Now these are holding up what I believe is a transmission cooler here in the front. But you have to undo this one here and this one over here, and that'll let that hang down lower to get it out of the way. Once all that's unbolted, and of course once you drain the system here, you'll be able to pull everything straight out and just do everything in reverse. Wish I would have recorded for you guys prior, but I wasn't in the mindset. I had to knock it out real quick before the week began. If you have any questions regarding it, or my very poor explanation here, feel free to PM me or message me directly. Thanks for watching, guys.